Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back. For today's video, it's different from reptiles because I don't know if you guys know, but I also like birds. So this past Sunday, we went to the Pomona Bird Show, or San Bernardino / Pomona Bird Show in Arcadia. That's the one where they had it. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, guys, so keep watching if you guys want to see some cool birds, a montage just like with music and stuff like that. There's no voiceover, but enjoy it, guys.
Here we go. Invincible.
Hi guys, welcome back after watching the montage. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe if you guys want to see more content coming from us. And yeah guys, hopefully you guys, like I said, enjoyed it, seeing all those birds. It was a cool show, and even though it was raining during this weekend here in Cali. But alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. I'll see you guys on the next one, and God bless you guys, and keep it 4 out.